This guy's crossing the river just to be on the YouTube, so
I love Bali.
yeah, we love Bali.
Bayu sebuah kenyal nih. Sorry Bayu.
Good morning, Bali. Today we're gonna pray a little bit in the temple behind us. Here they make some construction, so sorry about the sound in the background. And I will show you around how it looks. So Winnie is preparing herself to pray. How was your praying?
Alright, so I just finished praying in Sakenan Temple. So this is called Sakenan Temple in Serangan Island. As you see around, they still reconstructing, they rebuild some of the part of the temple.
What can you tell what you have on the head? Because for many people probably they don't know what does it mean.
So this is called a bija or basma. It's like a blessing rice. So whenever you finish praying, you will get a holy water, and then you will get a holy rice or blessing rice. So we put it here, and we eat it.
Okay, so you after praying, let's see how it looks island around. It's small island, but we will see. Hello.
Hey, enjoy life.
Check this guys out. Yay! You will be on YouTube.
What YouTube?
This guy's crossing the river just to be on the YouTube, so you're doing very well, man.
Enjoy life.
Enjoy your life, man.
Yes. Where are you from?
Oh, I'm from Poland.
Oh, good. You like Bali?
Oh yes, I love Bali.
My channel.
You wanna say something to people from YouTube?
Yes. Apa YouTube? What is YouTube? Bayu sebuah kenyal.
You wanna follow me on YouTube?
Oke, sip.
Yeah, yeah.
Apa? Halo. Apa nama?
Oh, you can edit Mr. and Mrs. Monkey.
Oh, Mr. Monkey.
Mr. and Mrs. Monkey. You know,
Okay.
Mr. and Mrs. Monkey.
Lihat deh. Mantap.
I love Bali.
Yeah, we love Bali.
Bayu sebuah kenyal nih. Sorry Bayu. Oke.
Okay.
Bye.
See you next time, yeah?
Yes. Oke. Gokil. Subscribe, like, and comment. Subscribe and like, comment.
Alright. See you guys.
See you.
So right now we are in the Serangan, in the harbor area,
Yes. You
This
see that there are many boats, there are many ships, and there are many catamarans also passing here.
yeah.
Sini see mostly like the boat going to Gili, the boat going to Nusa Penida, Nusa Lembongan.
But the most important
Yeah.
is very famous for fishermen over here.
Cola? And maybe Komita.
The kids got crazy when I started. Hi guys! You see these kids jumping to the river? We're gonna see the area over here because it's actually quite interesting.
Yeah, we will see that this area.
Yeah, we will see.
Right, so now we are in Kampung Bugis in Serangan Island. We will see how is the situation here because we see that people live in the tent.
Lagi keluar.
Ya.
Hello.
Berani malah susah udah ngasih dikit.
Ngasih bantuan.
Si dua ngasih.
Keluar ya.
Hello.
Live in the tent. So as you see that people here live in the tent. I heard that they live here around 3 years.
So the people here living in the tent for around 3 years. So it is how it is. I show you around, guys. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, so I think that this is the kitchen.
Tada, enggak, tada beri. Kesana
Hello.
langsung. Lupa malah diopang ke tangga kaki satu suka mengelembang. Lupa malah diopang ke tangga satu suka mengelembang.
So, yeah.
Kelereng. Tapi
Hello.
Nggih, mungkin kari nelpon yang
Telepon, oh ya, pasti.
Terus temen nggih. Yang nanti
Hello.
Ricky Martin, soalnya Winton ke 26 ini Ricky, yang si Jati ini akeh Winton, Pak Winton ada Jepang Winton.
ayo maju.
Enten.
Di sini Pak.
Tamu banget.
Niki dan pasta.
Tempat kita dulunya di sana, kan itu. Nah, karena sengketa kan itu kita secara sejarah kan kita diberikan oleh Puri. Namun seiring berjalan waktu ada yang mengklaim bahwa dia yang memiliki sertifikatkan. Nah, kita kan polos-polos saja kan gitu. Jadi ya udah kita inikan ke ranah hukum bla 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 bla, sampai ke MH udah dianggap inkrah, jadi mohon eksekusi ya diadakan eksekusi. Nah, terjadi eksekusi tanggal 3 bulan Januari tahun 2017. Nah, jadi udah berjalan 3 tahun kita di sini.
Oh, jadi ya ampun 3 tahun di sini tinggalnya. Niki mereka aslinya niki dari Niki asli Bugis.
Tapi ya itu tadi seiring berjalan waktu ada juga yang dari Jawa, dari Lombok, dari jadi melalui pernikahan nyambung. Ada juga yang dari sini, dari di situ. Namun yang lebih dominan kan di asal usulnya Sulawesi Selatan.
Sulawesi Selatan, ya.
Alright, saya.
So I just called the seller and then he said we can wait for 2 hours.
2 hours?
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay, can you?
So we buy some food. Not so much. It's only what we can afford, but we will deliver in next 2 hours. So better than nothing. Alright, after a few hours we decided we're gonna provide some food what we can do today.
Yeah.
Maybe even if it's not too much, however we can
There is
have
something for them.
yeah, exactly. And we're gonna go to tell them about that and give them.
Yeah. So we will meet the leader of this community and then talk to him and then let's see how it is.
Ya, baru dia datang dari sini. Duduk sini.
The way, check the river out. Few hours ago was so much water, now it's almost dry.
So now we will share this food to them and then yeah, he is the leader. Yeah, some rice and then yeah, we will share it to them and then I hope that they will be happy.
Yeah.
Ya. Sama siapa di sini?
Sama
Ibunya, ibu.
Dua aja Bu,
Oh.
satu tenda biar lengkap.
Oh, dua.
Dua aja bisa dah.
Ya. Ini sendoknya.
Saya ngasih sendok.
Ya.
Tidak ya. Enggak ibunya
Taruh ini
sehat.
ya.
Taruh aja sini.
Ya, di sini ada Bu? Ya.
Enggak ada orang tua di sini gitu.
Oh, ya.
Yeah, no problem.
Gak apa-apa.
Sudah bisa bahasa Indonesia?
Sedikit
Sedikit. Ah, oke.
Ya, so we will share the food. Iya.
Kasih dulu baru sendoknya.
Iya. Iya. Iya.
Ini kasih lagi satu, ini anak-anak.
Oh, iya.
Biar dua tenda
Oke.
dua.
Iya. Ini halo Ibu. Ya. Ya.
Ya Bu.
Iya. Terima kasih. Ya. Mari, Adik. Permisi.
Assalamualaikum. Rizky.
Ini
ada
ya,
terima kasih.
ya. Ya.
Coba saya. Saya sekarang aja kasih dia. Udah. Oh iya. Anaknya kerja. Oh iya. Oke. Makasih. Iya.
So this is how's the people living here. If you would like to help them, they really need your help. Even you can buy some food or something, and we will provide you the place on the Google map. Where is it actually? So it's very easy to get here from Sanur or from the Kuta or wherever if you're living in Bali. So it's not a big problem. Oh.
Iya. Kasih saya gini. Mari. Yuk.
It's okay.
Oke, let's go. Halo Ibu. Ada dia. Taruh di dalam aja, Bu.
Kemana mungkin orangnya ini orang dia jualan sambuk.
It's okay, ya?
Ada di sana, di kerasanya. Saya sakit. Ada. Kita masuk ini sini deh. Biar sekalian saya bawa.
Resengnya ada sih. Sini dulu naik dulu.
Oh ya.
Ini kasih dulu. Kasihan nenek-nenek.
Oh, Ibu. Dari kamu.
Dua Bu.
Dua.
Cucunya apa?
Cucunya. Kasih ya. Sama-sama.
So this is
This is the bathroom actually.
Sepeda
Sunset.
Assalamualaikum.
behind me is the bathroom, but somebody getting a shower. So I'm not gonna like showing too much about that, but you can imagine how it is.
Masuk. Masuk dah, Bang. Masuk dah tuan biar tahu tempat tendanya ya.
Yeah, let's get in. Permisi.
So this is how they live here. They don't have a permanent house. Can you imagine that how it is if it is a big raining coming? You see the kids, they live in a tent for 3 years. They live in a tent. All right. Kamar mandi.
Yeah, so this is the bathroom. Assalamualaikum. Halo, permisi. Terima kasih banyak. So this is the kitchen actually. Yeah. Permisi.
Sana tuan, teriak tuan.
Oh ya.
Yang kecil ada dapur ada.
Ya. Maaf ya Bu, sekedar yang bisa kami
Terima
bantu.
kasih, ini aja dulu. Terima kasih ya Bu ya, semoga rezekinya tambah lancar.
Terima kasih. Everything.
Over here is the gate to the house. So it is look like it is low.
Oh ya. Ya, maaf Bu, sekedar kita berbagi ya. Belakangnya mudah-mudahan ya Bu.
Anak-anak main kelereng kan? Nah, tidak ada kerjaan ini.
Nanti saya ikut.
Kasih. Sama Datuk nih ngajak dari bayi.
Oh
Siapa tahu nanti itu.
Oh ya.
Ngiring Bu, ngiring.
Iya.
Udah kau minang ambat dulu.
Iya. Maaf Bu ya, sekedar aja dulu. Siapa tahu nanti kita ada banyak rezeki lah.
Jajan.
Ya.
Makan. Allah
Iya Datuk ini dia. Satu. Pas. Satu. Wah.
Laundry.
Bapaknya udah ngambil sih. Boleh ke dalam, Bu? Boleh, Bu. Bapaknya ngambil semua, Bu. Iya. Nih, tuan, kayak gini, kayak kandang babi.
Alright, so this is how they live.
This is the dapurnya, kayak gitu. Maaf ya.
No problem.
It's so
Ini dapurnya, ini kompornya.
So
Bapak kali.
even they are not coming from Bali, even they are not originally Balinese, most of them are coming from Bugis or South Sulawesi, and they also coming from Java, Lombok. Well, no matter where they are from, who they are, we are all the same. We are human. So as you see, they need your help.
That's right. Everything what Winnie said is true. I agree with that, and even small help is very big for them. As you can see, how's the condition and everything. So yeah, even a small help is big for them.
Saya sebagai kepala lingkungan Kampung Bugis yang masih tinggal di tenda ini mengucapkan terima kasih kepada Ibu dan Bapak yang sudah hadir di sini di kamp pengungsian Kampung Bugis ini untuk berbagi, memberikan bungkusan nasi kepada masyarakat kami di sini. Mudah-mudahan nasi ini bisa bermanfaat untuk masyarakat kami dengan keadaan seperti ini. Sekali lagi saya mengucapkan banyak terima kasih atas bantuannya kepada Ibu dan Bapak yang hadir pada sore hari ini. Terima kasih.
If you are coming here, I will show you the place, and this is the boss of the village, so just contact him and he will help you with everything, how to give the food to the people living here.
Yeah, my name Mohadi.
Mohadi,
Mohadi.
remember. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Alright, so that's it for today's vlog. What I wanna say, these people who are living in this tent, they're living already for 3 years, and they're coming from different parts of Indonesia, mostly from Sulawesi. They really need your help. So if you are living in Bali,
Or you have been to Bali so far, and then you are living in Bali, and then if you feel like, okay, I wanna give them a support or something, you just, you can come here to Serangan Island, or you can leave a comment in our YouTube, and then you can ask everything about what we are doing to help them so far.
yes, and if you really want to help them, you have in Bali, just come here. I will show you the map, where is it, the place. And also if you are living abroad and want to help them, just even $5 or even $1 is really big money for them, to give them the few portions of rice or something like that. So really
Really helps them. So that's all today. Thank you for
thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow.